Hey Cup Masters, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a quick and easy trick for you. How to remove that CapCut logo from your design in just 1 minute. Let's jump in. Open your CapCut app on your device and make sure you are signed in to the app. In order to start with the implementation of removing the logo CapCut on your video, select the New Project option. Then, on the New page, select the video you want to edit. And then click on the Add option. By opening a new page, go to the very end of the video by dragging your finger to the left side of the video. At the very end, you can see the logo of the application that has already been added. You can delete it by clicking on that added video and clicking Delete. And in order to permanently remove the appearance of the logo itself in the video, we have to go back to the beginning of the page. You will see in the upper right corner of the screen a setting option in the form of a set angle. Click on it. Then, on the new page, click on the Add Default Ending option. And there it is, a quick and easy way to get rid of that CapCut logo. If this hack helped you, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more crafting tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future hacks. Thanks for watching and happy crafting, cup lovers!